Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this one owner, accident-free 2021 Chevrolet Trailblazer LT. Powering this all-wheel drive SUV is a 1.3 liter 3-cylinder engine paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission that can get you just 8 to 9 liters per 100 kilometers on average. Checking out the hatch of the vehicle, you have lots of cargo space, including additional storage cubbies on each side. Moving to the interior of the vehicle, you have power adjustable mirrors and windows with express down on all 4 windows and express up on the driver's window. On the steering wheel is your cruise control and forward collision warning, as well as your hands-free audio. This vehicle has just 16,401 kilometers. You have a large infotainment unit with Apple Carplay and Android Auto ready to go. Your automatic climate controls, including heated seats, your power ports, your traction control, drivetrain select, as well as your lane keep assist and auto start stop. In the back of the vehicle, you have rear seat pockets in both the front driver and passenger seats. You have your power ports, as well as 60/40 split folding premium cloth seats. If you'd like to see this 2021 Chevrolet Trailblazer LT in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.